Are you a graphic tee, jeans, and flip-flops kind of girl? Well, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Brandy. I am owner and personal stylist of Addie's Boutique, located in Alexandria, Louisiana. You can check us out online at shopaddiesboutique.com. Again, shopaddiesboutique.com. You can also download our mobile app, which is Addie's, ADDIE''S Boutique, in both the Google Play and App Store. Today, I wanted to talk about the typical customer that comes into our store, and we're going to dress this look up just a little bit. So, a normal Addie's Boutique customer will walk in and they are a jeans, t-shirt, leggings, flip-flops kind of girl. They're very plain Jane. They don't want to dress up. This is normal. So they come into us and they say, Brandy, I've got to dress a little bit nicer, but I'm not comfortable in a dress and I'm not comfortable in a jean, and I just want to wear my t-shirt and my graphic tee. You know, my graphic tee and my jeans. Like, that's all I want. Sister, I understand you. I do. I really, really do. And I love people like you because they get to play dress up. So let's talk about how we can take this look and dress it up a little bit more. Okay, so the first thing I have done is I have added just a gold fun earring. This is going to be like a half sun. This has become my new favorite pair of earrings. I wear them on repeat. I've also added just 3 different bracelets just to kind of give it a stacked look. And then I am going to take this shirt, okay, because it is a long shirt. Now, a typical person who is watching this video will probably thinking, I wouldn't tuck my shirt in that way. There's a more stylish way to do it. Honey, this video is not for you. It's for the everyday woman who doesn't know how to dress themselves. So what I'm going to do, and there's a reason why I'm doing this, is I'm going to side tuck this t-shirt, okay? And then I'm going to pull it out a little bit, and then I'm going to angle it and clean it up. And the reason why I did that is because I have a mom belly. And I've had multiple kids, and my stomach is no longer flat anymore because I don't have time to go to the gym because I'm usually chasing after one of them. So what we have done is we've tucked into the side, we've cleaned up the edge to give it an angled look so it makes it not just a sloppy looking t-shirt, and it covers our front stomach. Then we are going to take my favorite, dun, 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 a blazer. I love a good blazer. I do. I love it with jeans. I love it with leggings. I love it, period. Just because it's the easy way to dress up an outfit. So, we've added the blazer. You still got your t-shirt. You still got your jeans. Now we've added the blazer. We've added some nice jewelry to it just to give it a more upscale look. Now, sister, let's talk about these flip-flops. Okay? You're not wearing any flip-flops with this. Okay, I do realize that if you're a jeans and t-shirt kind of girl, you are not going to wear heels. But if you feel like being spontaneous and you feel like getting out of your comfort zone, put a high heel on. If not, I'm going to recommend a wedge. A wedge is still going to have a flat bottom, like your sneaker, like your flip-flop. But it's going to give you a dressier look, and it's also going to give you a little bit of height, okay? I personally recommend the Mia brand. No, I do not get endorsed by them. Yes, we do sell their shoes. However, I recommend it because it is a comfort thing. If you are not used to wearing wedges, if you're not used to wearing high heels, if you're not used to being in something and you're on your feet on a very, very long time, I recommend the Mia because they have that memory foam insole, they have that cushion insole, and it makes it being on your feet all day long super, super comfortable. And when you're like me, you need comfort. So, here's the look. Now, blazer, nice jewelry, graphic tee, jeans, and my high heels, and I've definitely upscaled this look. I've made it a little bit dressier. Now, if you work in an office that requires jeans, that you are allowed to wear jeans, Here's a great way to dress it up. And I'm going to add a little headband because I'm bougie that way. All right, guys, if you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button, comment below. And also don't forget, the most beautiful thing you will ever wear is a smile.